Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have Six of Earth, Ten of Air, and Messenger of Earth. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are someone really dedicated to your work or dedicated to this relationship. You are really trustworthy, a loyal person, and you make a lot of efforts in your life, guys. Maybe your day is filled with activity. You are working hard, doing your best, and you never leave anything incomplete. So that may be the reason for success and happiness in your life, guys. Maybe you see your situation changing dramatically. Maybe even if you are facing some difficulties in your career or it may be difficult circumstances in this relationship, the way you are dedicated and responsible is changing your situation, and you are a very honest person and you make careful choices, clear choices in your life, guys, and you are really honest and you know your efforts will pay off. May not be today, but maybe someday. So the honest efforts you are putting in, guys, Leos, it is surely paying off, and that may be the reason we see a positive card here, guys, for your situation. So maybe in your career you are going to see unexpected surprise changes coming up, something that is going to take you towards your dreams and goals, and it is going to simply surprise you, and you are happy for these changes. But also I see in your situation, maybe if you are in a separation, you are going to meet someone new. You have moved on, you have healed from your past, and you are interested in seeing someone new. And the way you see things, the way you perceive your situation has changed. You have learned so much, you have grown so much, guys. So maybe it is a kind of spiritual awakening, and you have moved on from the past and you are stepping into some kind of a positive future. Maybe the ending or separation was really sad, was really painful, but you have learned from your past and you have come to a state where you have clarity instead of pain or sadness. So you have learned what needs to be learnt from the experience you had, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Two of Water. So looks like you are moving into a new relationship, a new person coming in, and it is a meaningful love filled with happiness, understanding, and you both share a great compatibility, guys, Leos. So the card for your career situation. It is 6 of water. So in your career situation, you are communicating with the people in your work situation, sharing your success stories. So some kind of connection, some kind of what to say, a happy communication. That is what is happening in your career situation, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for y'all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself, so you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.